Greetings, my name is Michael Fig. I'm from Agoric. This demo today is to demonstrate our VatTP protocol over IBC. I'm just going to run this one command to start two separate chains on different ports. Um, so I'm just going to run the scripts and chains in Agoric command to start up the Agoric chain. And then I'll probably cut to the point where the script is basically done. So here it's installing binaries, generating configurations, doing all this stuff. Um, what matters is that eventually we'll have two browser windows open for each of the two chains. Okay, it looks like it's about ready, so I'm just going to reload this page. And indeed, we have a localhost 8000 browser and a localhost 8001 browser. These are two different browsers. I'm just going to show that they use separate evaluation. So we'll call the browser on the left Alice, and we'll call the browser on the right Bob, our good friends from cryptography. So essentially, these two browsers are connected to each of the two different chains. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create our demonstration object, which is just a hello object. All it does is it has a hello method, and it prints out the message that it got called with and returns the friendly greeting to the other side. So Alice is going to be the one hosting this object. As you see, the object that was evaluated is just with the single method, hello. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up Alice to accept incoming inbound IBC connections, and then to publish the hello object to that connection. So I'm just going to evaluate that over here. It's an unresolved promise. Took a little bit to resolve. Now it's just returning an empty answer to say that we've registered our network listener. The next thing we're going to do is on Bob, we're going to set up the network host. So this is going to be using an IBC connection over to Alice's chain. And then it should print out on Alice what the value is of the published object, the identifier for it. So it says it's undefined. Oh, but of course it spits out a bunch of error messages. This is because currently IBC isn't fully dynamic. We aren't allowed to create empty or new channels on the old connection at all. We need to do that manually. So I'll just run this command that was displayed for us. So it's going to start relaying the packets between IBC0 and IBC1, Alice and Bob. Okay, so what we should be watching for is, here it is, hello address is now published. So that means that the network host published hello object on VatTP. I'm just going to take this value and copy it over to the other chain, to Bob. So Alice is published. Now Bob is receiving a message out of band somehow. So it just says we have hello address now. And now we want to create an object that will look up the hello address. We see that this generates some more network traffic. And replies with an object, an alleged presence. So now if we try object and send it a message, helloa, we misspelled by accident. It's an unresolved promise, results in more network messages being sent. And it says, sorry, we do not have helloa, we only have hello. So we'll fix our helloa into a hello, send that message over, and watch over here and here. So Alice got called by Bob, and hello Bob is the reply. That's about it. So the power of this messaging system is that it allows objects to be published across chains to VATs, or to essentially chains that understand the Agoric VatTP protocol. And VatTP over IBC accomplishes this. Now we can share assets across chains using the same object model if we wish, and it'll all just be transparent. So the asynchronous messaging that is already the default in Agoric gives us that power by allowing us to wait as long as it takes for the IBC packets to be relayed before we get our answers. That's all.